Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. And on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to source from Walmart.com to sell on your Amazon FBA business. So before I start though, I want to invite you guys again to my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to post the link in my description below. And that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other Amazon sellers. So yeah, on this video, I'll show you guys how to source from Walmart, right? To sell on your Amazon business. So obviously the first step is to go to Walmart.com. And then open up or pick a product that you like to sell on Amazon. So I picked this random product here. So this is moisturizer or shampoo. So from here I would copy the title from Walmart and then search the exact product on Amazon. Man, there's a lot of them, right? They all look the same, so I would, let's see. So I would really look at the exact details. So this one is a Monday Hair Care Moisture Shampoo, sulfate and paraben free, 354 ml or 12 ounces. 12 ounces. Okay, clarified shampoo. I don't think this is the one. This one's flavored. Not flavored, but it says grapefruit extract, which I don't think is similar to the first one. I would try this one. This one. Okay, so repair. This one is a shampoo and conditioner set. This one's only a shampoo. What's different? Let's see. Let's try this. Yeah, this one's gonna be tough. Where is it? So moisture. Yeah, I don't think we can find it here. Yeah, that's not it. Okay, so we'll skip this one just because we can't find it. I don't want to waste any more time on the same product. So let's try this one. So again, copy the title. And then look for the product on Walmart. I'm sorry, on Amazon. And then look for the exact same product. So this one is a white tea deodorant. This one is a 3-pack. Okay, that's good work. Okay, this one is a 1-piece. Let's see. So I would put this one here. So this one is a Curie Clean deodorant. White tea, 2 ounce. This one is a white tea, 2 ounce. Okay. 3-pack. This could actually work. Okay. Oh, 3-pack. Man. So 3-pack. So 12.97 times 3 is 38.91. Man, the number's not adding up though. Yeah, I think we found the exact same product, but then if we run the numbers, it's not going to make sense unless you want to sell at a higher price, right? Like $62. But I don't recommend it because the first two sellers are way lower. But I'll just run the numbers for this one. So the sales per month is 716, it's a variation, so I would run the exact sale for the variation. So I would go to variations, click on YT, click check. So this exact variation is getting 20% of the sale. So 20% of 716 is about 140. So it's getting 140 sales a month. And the price is pretty stable at $42. So man, this is not good. Yeah, so for this one we found the product, right? Exact same product. Different packaging, because this one is a 3-pack. So we gotta bundle it, but it's the exact same product. The problem though is that the numbers don't make sense. So this one we'll skip. And this one I believe is the exact same product also. So we'll plug in the numbers. Oh, it's $12.97 on Walmart and also $12.97 on Amazon. So I don't think this one's gonna work either. But let's just double check. Yeah, it's not gonna work. So yeah, we just keep it moving from here. And that's how it is anyway when you're doing product research. It just really takes time. And that's why I recommend hiring a VA. But obviously you guys are in the beginning stages, right? So there's no money coming from the business yet. So you would have to learn how to do product research manually and just be patient. So next product, do the same thing. Look on Walmart, search on Amazon. Man, I don't think this one's gonna be it either. So yeah, guys. Hope you guys got value from the video, though. This is how you guys look for products, starting from Walmart, and then you do reverse search on Amazon. There's other softwares out there that can make your life easier, like tactical arbitrage, right? So that software scrapes Walmart.com and looks for the exact same product on Amazon, using a software. So it's more efficient. Or you can also hire a VA for like $4 per hour to search products that you need for Amazon, right? But if not, you can just take the time, be patient, and learn how to do this process manually until you can get until you can get some money coming from your Amazon business, right? And then from that point forward, you can use that money to outsource certain things like product research, right? So with that said, I hope you guys got value from the video. And again, please join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to post the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join my free weekly Amazon calls and also network with other Amazon sellers. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.